looking at the spiritual community right now, people are so triggered by what others' opinions are there out there, you know. And for me, when I look at um like other people's opinion or talk, it just tells me that I really have to dig into myself, because it's quite a mixture of knowing who's really in tune with the purpose, the mission, if you may call it. Because I've seen the division of the awakened. I see the fighting spirit. Why are you doing such a thing? Like, why do you exert so much effort? You don't have to provoke, not even provoke, but you don't have to explain too much. The true power of faith is just within. You don't have to fight it. You don't have to explain to people. You just have to go inside and be calm, observe. Because the more you fighting other people on their contradictions, on their beliefs, the more is like separation. I'm not really liking it. I feel the heaviness of the people, Instead of doing more inner work, I feel like they want to prove something. You don't have to prove anything. Because if you're in the light, it will just show, even by just not saying anything. You can tell if people are in the enlightenment. You don't have to talk anything. Do you see all those herbs? Do they talk? No. You just feel it. You just feel it. So the more you talk, the more you engage with this, battle of who's intelligent and who's true or who's not. By all these books, it's not about knowledge, I guess. For me, it's more about what do you really feel, and that's what I'm feeling. I feel like believing in myself more than seeing all these people. Like, I've seen the anger in them, like the emotions are like they're on fire. I don't know. I just hope my people don't be too preoccupied with explaining yourself, don't waste your energy. I rather have, like, who was that? I think it was Joe Dispenza, I think. To do miracles or to do something extraordinary. Or was it him or someone else said about it? Like, just be present. Don't think about anything. And that's the most powerful thing. And that's what I've been doing all these years. I don't want to think about it. I just want see what's going on in the world. I've been silenced for how many years because I just want to look at how people behave, how people talk, That's why my throat chakra is being suppressed, because I've been an observer. I don't talk. I just listen. And I felt that it's more powerful because it's inner knowing. You don't have to explain too much, but you just know through your feelings. And I hope people can understand, or people can realize in the end. I hope it's not too late for them. to realize that. And I wish all of them to just don't fight, have unity. We all have the same goal, to be united. But the more you keep on throwing this and that opinions and that, it's the same thing as you are in the 3D. Don't do it. I hope if this message can find anyone, I hope you could realize that the inner peace is just within you. And you already know what do you see in there. Don't be so much into it. Don't engage too much. For me, I'm just having fun. Whatever I post, whatever I think, it's just for myself, for fun, for myself. Because I already know. I'm aware of this is what I'm seeing. I'm just having fun. And yeah, there's a lot to learn, but felt like the more I go in, the more I can understand better. And I'm being guided. And yeah, hope this message can find someone too, or somewhere out there. Peace, peace, love and light.